ever watched a simple animated kids video on YouTube and wondered how people create them? You might think you need expensive animation software, years of experience, or a big production team. But the truth is, you can create a cute animated kids video like the one I'm about to show you.
A is for apple, shiny and red. B is for bear with a fuzzy head. C is for cat, saying meow, meow, meow. D is for dog, saying bow, wow, wow.
How cute was that? I am so excited to show you that you can create animations just like that using a simple feature inside Canva, right from your computer, using tools that are beginner friendly and surprisingly easy to use. Whether you want to create ABC videos, nursery rhymes, educational content, story videos, or fun character adventures, this simple Canva feature can help you get started. And to make it even better, I'm also going to show you how to add a custom song using Suno, so your character isn't just moving on the screen, but becomes part of a complete video experience that kids will enjoy watching. So let's jump right in and I'll show you exactly how I created the animation you just watched. First things first, we're gonna open up Canva. We are going to hit create, and then we're gonna find on the left-hand side, videos, and we're gonna do a YouTube video. Once we have our blank canvas open, we are going to find our video. We're just going to upload it from our computer. Here it is. Okay, now we're going to click it and it's going to automatically put it into our frame. Once we have our image here, what we're going to do is we want to grab the frog to animate the frog. The way we are going to grab the frog is we're going to make sure our image is selected, and you can tell that it's selected by this purple outline. Then we're going to go up to this top bar and we're going to hit edit. And you're going to see this toolbar pop up on the left hand side. We're going to find magic grab. Okay, it's going to scan your image. Then what we want to do is we want to click over on the frog. And you can see how all of the frog is highlighted. Once we know that all of this is highlighted and everything that we want to select is selected, we're going to hit grab. This separates the frog from the background image. Okay, so now you can see I can move the frog, right? Perfect. If we wanted to make him a little bit bigger, we can make him a little bit bigger. Now we want to make sure he stays selected. The way we know he's selected is this purple box. Then we're going to hit animate. Once you hit animate, this box on the left hand side is going to pop up and you're going to see custom create an animation. We want to click this and you're going to see how it gives you an example of how you have to move the object. So we are going to move the object. I just like to do it kind of slowly, back and forth, up and down, right to left. Okay, there we go. So now we're going to movement style. We're going to select this and we're going to do steady. That way it's a little smooth. Okay, now we're going to hit done. There's our frog. And then you can adjust it. All right, now we want to add another layer. Now we want to add our ABCs. So we're going to go to elements and we're going to select A. For this demonstration, we're going to learn letters A, letters B, letter C, letter D. There we go. Okay, so now you can see our frog is behind our letters. So what we're going to do is bring him forward. So we are going to select him. We're going to go position, and then you can see it has a range and then layers. We want to go to layers, and you could easily just take him and drag him all the way to the top, and now he's on top of the letters. And then you can move him down just a little bit, and you can bring your letters up just a little bit as well. Okay. All right, perfect. So now if we look here on our timeline, we have all of our letters. We want to just scoot it over to the beginning of our timeline. Okay, perfect. So now what I want to do is I want to create a couple of different images, a couple of different scenes. So I want to do A, I want to do B, I want to do C, and I want to do D all by themselves. There's your alphabet video. If you just want to do a basic, simple animation, Canva is the place for you. Start out here and then build on your skills. If you've made it this far through the video, thank you for watching. I want to take it one step further and show you how you can add music to this video. So the tool that I use is Suno.com. We're going to create a song, okay? So what we're gonna do first, we're just gonna keep it on simple, and we're gonna put a song description in here. Normally what I'll do, first of all, is I'll go to chat. I'll ask chat to give me lyrics for an A, B, C, D song teaching kids their alphabet. Okay? And it will give me the lyrics. Okay, we're just going to copy this little section here, A, B, C, D, and then we're going to bring it over to Suno, and we're going to paste it here in the song description. We're going to hit create. And we're going to let Suno do the magic. Let's hear it.
Shiny and red. B is for bear with a fuzzy head. C is for cat saying meow meow meow. D is for dog saying bow wow wow.
Okay, I love it. So I'm going to download that song as an MP3. I am going to go back to Canva. I am going to import that song. So I'm going to upload file. Here's the song. It's going to be in my uploads on audio. And it is right here. So as you can see, it's only 15 seconds long, and my slides are a little bit longer. So what I'm going to do, each slide I'm going to adjust a little bit. So now we're going to preview
it. A is for apple, shiny and red. B is for bear with a fuzzy head. C is
and there you have it. I hope that this tutorial showed you that creating content doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need expensive software or years of animation experience to start bringing your ideas to life. Today, we took a consistent character, we created an animation, we generated a custom song, and we combined everything into a fun video. The best part is that this is just the beginning. Once you learn the basics, you can create different characters, different songs, and endless videos using the same simple process. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps support Creatively Marked and lets me know you'd like to see more beginner-friendly tutorials like this one. Also, let me know in the comments what type of character you're creating. Is it a frog, a bear, a dog, a dinosaur, or maybe something completely unique? I love to hear your ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, you don't have to be perfect to start creating. You just have to start.
Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next video.